Understanding the phrase, grind one's gears, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and commonly used English phrase, grind one's gears. This phrase is a great example of colorful, idiomatic English. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. So, let's dive in. Grind one's gears is an idiomatic expression that means to annoy or irritate someone. Imagine the sound of gears grinding in a machine. It's unpleasant and jarring. Similarly, when something grinds your gears, it bothers you in a significant way. It's important to note that this phrase is usually used for ongoing or repeated annoyances, rather than a one-time event. The phrase, grind one's gears, is believed to have originated from the mechanical world, where gears grinding together create friction and noise, signifying a problem or malfunction. Over time, it has been adopted into everyday language to express personal frustration or irritation. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. It really grinds my gears when people are late to meetings. 2. Loud chewing really grinds her gears. 3. It grinds his gears when he sees people littering in the park. Notice how the phrase is used to express personal irritations in various contexts. When using grind one's gears, keep these tips in mind. It's best used in informal settings. Make sure it's clear what specifically is grinding your gears. It's often used for lighter, more humorous complaints rather than serious grievances. And that's a wrap on grind one's gears. This phrase is a fun and expressive way to talk about your pet peeves or annoyances. We hope you enjoyed learning about it and feel confident using it in your English conversations. Don't forget to practice and, as always, keep learning and expanding your English vocabulary. See you in the next video.